Every time you open VideoScribe, this login screen will appear. Enter your login details and click this login button. This is the project screen where you have all the local folders, the cloud folder, and your projects. As you make more and more scribes, soon there will be a lot of files on your project screen when you log in. It's a good idea to keep your files organized in different folders. For the scribes which are not put in any folder, you can have the newest files show up here, or the oldest, or you can have them show up in A to Z sequence. If you want to see contents of a particular folder, you can click on that folder and all of its contents will show up. There is also a filter projects option. I click that. So let's say I'm looking for the scribe files containing the word project. So in this window, I type the keyword project, hit check mark, and all the scribes having this word in their title will show up. That way, you can quickly search for specific files. And when you're done searching, you can go back and clear the filter to show all the files again. Using this question mark icon, you can check the version of your VideoScribe. And as you can see, I'm using the VideoScribe 2.3.0 for PC Pro version. This button takes you to VideoScribe help website where you can get help for any VideoScribe related problem or watch more tutorials they have designed to train people.